This is the windscreen that we picked up on our holidays during the summer. It comes with some sealing strips, and I also have a professional bonding agent and a primer to go with that. I'm going to start by trial fitting it just so I understand how the seals and everything are going to work before we do anything permanent. I think this is going to be a one-shot job. In order to limit the distance that I'm actually carrying the glass for fitment, I'm going to temporarily refit Chewy's bonnet. Going to have to use a bit of tape to hold these rubber strips in place. I think this is the most stressful job I've done on any car. It's a huge responsibility not to break this glass, and it's the most expensive outlay I've had on the whole project. Most cars are covered by glass insurance, but unfortunately this car wasn't, and I broke the glass myself, so it wouldn't really have been covered anyway. I would have actually entrusted this to a local windscreen company, but I tried ordering one of these windscreens, but I couldn't find one in the whole of Ireland. So I was very relieved to get it from France. Most of the cars I would work on wouldn't actually have a bonded windscreen, and I think I'd nearly let that be the criteria of the cars I choose to work on in the future. But I got myself into this mess, and I'm going to try and get myself out of it. Again, I don't recommend trying this at home, and that is not a proper windscreen suction cup. It's actually a dent puller, so if you try that yourselves, it's at your own risk. That's why I'm going for this short distance rather than having it up in the air at any point over the floor, etc. So I want to trial fit it so that I understand exactly where the sealant needs to go and how easily it'll fit when I'm doing this for real in a couple of minutes. Now you can see why I wanted to cup that. Right. Degrease it all now. And the car. Okay, so this is the special primer. And that also goes on the body. And now the bonding agent. I'm doing a second line along here because it's so thick, the area. Okay, here it goes. Looks about where I want it. Chewie has a windscreen again. Let's get this masking tape off. And that. That's not bad.